Y'all, it is burger season, and you know what that means? Well, you eat a lot of burgers. You consume a lot of burgers. You cook a lot of burgers. I love burgers, one of my most favorites. Well, today, I'm gonna do a comparison. I got frozen patties. I got pre-pattied patties from the supermarket, and I'm gonna get my own 80/20 ground chuck, and I'm gonna make my own patties, which I prefer to do. Now, do I have to? I don't know. We'll see our test comparison later on, where I'm going to be blindfolded and Jacob's going to give me, I don't know which one, and I'm going to try it. We'll give you a blindfold taste test. Let's get to comparing, y'all. Let's go. There's not a whole lot of prep here, y'all. Really, the only thing we got to prep is a few burgers that we need to patty out on our own. And the way I like to patty my burgers out is I got this nice, cool little ring. This is actually like a biscuit cutter, pastry cutter, and I use it for my burgers. I know about how much is in here, and it's going to be about a 5-ounce burger, and I just know that. All of these are about 5 ounces, okay? I don't want nobody saying, hey, you gave the frozen a break, man. It was 0.9 ounces off of your patty one, dude. Sorry, man, sorry. All right, we got our Blackstone on. We've had this pre-warmed, got it on high, and this is going to be a great way to compare these. You can do these on whatever you like. You can do it on your pellet grill. You can do it wherever. I think what I'm going to start with is these frozen patties that I can make some music with this. Yeah, buddy, buddy. Hey, come on, birdie, birdie. Maggie, she's just over here. She's just laying down on the job. I don't know. She's not going to get a big paycheck this month. I'm going to tell you that right now. Or a week. I don't know. I don't know when her pay schedule is. I get it daily. I give her a pat on the head and all that kind of good stuff. But anyway, let's get our frozen patties down. So these are the pre-pattied. So I got to make sure I get these right. So frozen, pre-patty, our patty. All right. See, these claim to be 80/20, but they don't look like my 80/20. And now here's our patty. Patty! Come here, Patty. Talk about Patty. Oh, Patty girl. All right, so our seasoning of choice, we're gonna season that with my own heifer dust. Perfect for burgers, perfect for steak, perfect for a lot of other things too, not just beef, just FYI. I wanna make sure everybody has some seasoning. I don't want nobody to say I'm playing favoritism. I can go ahead and tell you, our 80/20 over here, I can see the grease coming off, and there's a lot more grease than here on this pre-pattied 80/20. So I don't know. And over here on the frozen, they look a lot more wet than here too. Who knows? Taste test will tell all. So let's talk about buns, hun. We're just doing the standard. I love a Martin's potato rolls, and that's what we're going to use here. And again, we're trying to make this as level as possible, no other things. So just a standard old bun and a standard old burger patty. Hey, appreciate you watching so far. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. All right, it's time to flip these. I want to start with our patty version here. Now we're going to start with the pre-patty from the grocery store. Now we're going to go to our frozen patties. After we flip, we didn't season on that side. We're going to add a little bit of seasoning to this other side as well. Hey, while you're sitting there watching this, hey, let me know down below, what kind of burgers do you like to do? Do you like to pre-pat your burgers with fresh ground beef? Do you buy the pre-patty from the supermarket? Or do you do frozen? Hey, I'd like to know. Our burgers are done, and what I've done is I've pre-made some labels here so we know which one is which, because Jacob needs to know also. Our test panel here, y'all. I'm gonna get some flack for this. I'm breaking a law. I'm not gonna put mayonnaise on this for the taste test. If I eat these later on, there's gonna be mayonnaise on it. But I don't want anything to muddle up the flavor of these burgers. I want to tell you what I think truly. So, because I think, you know, you put mayonnaise on a shoe and it probably tastes pretty good, especially Duke's. So, y'all, don't tell the authorities. Do I hear something? Nah, I've broken a state law, and I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, Father. I have sinned. It's a sin in the South, y'all. It is a sin. Y'all forgive me. Y'all pray for me, all right? I'm going to go get a blindfold, and I'm going to try these suckers, all right? So I'll be right back.
Hey guys, Jacob here. I need y'all to keep a secret for me. While Matt's gone getting a blindfold, I'm going to make him a bad burger, and it's what we're going to feed him first. So we've got a bunch of pickles here, and I'm going to give him a burger full of pickles. You think that's enough? Does that look like enough pickles for you guys? Let's do one more. So he's going to come back with a blindfold. He's not going to know it. I'm going to feed him this first. We'll see what happens.
All right. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
All right. I think I know about where stuff is. You might have to help me, Jacob. Where's this? Oh, dang. There it is. Yep. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's the table. There we go. Yeah. Let me know before I slip over. I don't want
To your left a little bit.
to the left. All right.
Right though.
All right. All right, y'all.
Turn
So, I'll turn around.
All right.
Oh, where was I? What's this way?
What's that way?
Yeah, what's that way?
Your back room.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'm a little turnaround.
You're good.
All right, y'all. I didn't have I couldn't find anything down in the basement to get blindfolded with, so I just put some stickers over my eyes. Hopefully, I don't rip open my hopefully I don't rip my eyebrows off. So, all right. So we gotta. Let's see. Is it over here?
Nope.
No.
To your left.
Left.
Your other left. Sorry.
Left?
The other way.
Oh, dang, that's a wall, boy. About.
Yeah.
All right. You're just gonna hand me one.
Yes.
All right. So no particular order. Let me make sure these are. My right?
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Jacob, don't let me sit on the dang griddle. It's hot. It burned my buns.
All right, you ready?
I think so.
All right, here's the first one.
All right. All right. Belly's up, y'all. You ready? Jacob, this ain't no dang burger. There's pickles. They're pretty good, though. All right. A little trickster. Hey, I bet you if you put some Duke's mayonnaise on it and a slice of American cheese, this would be a delicacy. Let me tell you. All right. I bet you Maggie will eat it, too. I wonder if Maggie will eat it. We'll see.
Here you go.
All right. Belly's up, y'all. Okay. This is number one, right? Number one.
Yes.
Okay. I'll do one more bite.
There you go.
Number two. Bottoms up. I don't see how people do this without mayonnaise. I mean, yeah, I'm doing it for the people. Is this the one? This is the first one, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Not bad. This better not have a Maggie landmine in it, Jacob. All right. Cheers, y'all. Okay. So number one, I think is the pre-patty. I don't know. We'll see. All right. You got that tally, Jacob?
Yeah.
One is pre-patty. The one beside of this, number two, I think is our patty. And then number three, I think is the frozen patty. All right. Now, I want to tell you, where's the camera at? Right in front of me?
Look at my voice.
You're right here? Okay.
Okay.
So, and I don't want to skew anything either. I'm going to keep myself blindfolded here, y'all. So I think this is my thoughts. One is the pre-pattied, the pre-made, and it was my least favorite. Okay. I was really the second one. Where is it? Yeah, here it is. The second one and the third one was really close. The second one I think is the one that we patted out, and then the third one I believe is the frozen patty. And truth be told, they are pretty dang close. It's kind of like splitting hairs of which one I thought was which. So, but I'll see whenever I take this off. I guess I've already said it. I can take these things off, right, Jacob?
Yeah.
All right. So how'd I do, Jacob?
You were spot on.
Spot on. Are you kidding me? Well, I'll be honest. I almost said our made one. Almost flipped them. Mm-hmm. But the frozen one wasn't bad, y'all. So the pre-made, guys, it was dry. That thing was drier than, well, my yard used to be dry. It's raining right now. But man, it was okay. It was okay. Maggie's gonna love it in a minute anyways. But yeah, hey, that was a pretty cool comparison. Pretty fun, huh, Jacob?
Yeah.
I had a lot of fun, except for the pickle sandwich he gave me. Jackleg. I thought it had mustard on it. I was like, dang, does those pickles taste like mustard? And there's the mustard right down there. I was like, man, that's like mustard and pickles? Okay. Y'all, hey, I appreciate you. This was a lot of fun. I appreciate you tuning in. And hey, give it your own shot. See what you like. But hey, I'm pretty certain that frozen's not bad, but your made yourself is much better. Check out this video right here or right here. I promise you'll love it also.